Unit 9, Track 9.2. Passage 1.
Between 332 and 338 AD, King Khosrou the Short founded Dvin, an ancient Armenian capital at the southern foothills of the Gecherma Mountains. In ancient times, Dvin was located at the crossroads of major caravan routes connecting the east and the west. Trade and handicrafts were the most developed activities there. The city served as the capital from the 4th to the 13th centuries. Today, only parts of this once magnificent city remain, including the ruins of a palace, a citadel, and other structures. These ruins lie near the village of Dvin in the Artashat district, about 18 kilometers southeast of Yerevan. At the top of the hill, they unearthed the ruins of a large 10th century building with richly decorated premises resembling a complex labyrinth. At the top of the hill, archaeologists have uncovered the remains of the Catholicos' palace dating to the 6th century. Massive stones decorated with intricate carvings once supported a grand hall with columns. In the southern part of the site, archaeologists also discovered the ruins of a 5th century cathedral. The earliest Armenian authors almost always give the name of the city as Dvin, while later authors, such as Samuel of Ani, spell it Dvin, which is the form commonly used in scholarly literature. On the slopes of the hill, you can still find fragments of ancient pottery and glass. From the top, visitors are rewarded with a panoramic view of the green Ararat Valley.
Passage 2.
Khor Monastery is located on the left bank of the Araks River. In ancient times, the territory of the monastery was included in the Armenian historical capital of Artashat. Khor, which means deep dungeon in Armenian, was built on a high hill and served as a royal prison. The pit was filled with snakes and scorpions. Those sentenced to death were thrown there. Khor is most famous for its connection to Gregory the Illuminator. According to the historian Agathengelos, the Armenian king, 3 ordered to imprison Gregory the Illuminator in that deep pit for spreading Christianity in Armenia. Gregory spent 30 years in the dangerous pit and stayed alive thanks to the Christian woman who secretly brought him bread and water. In 642, one of the greatest Catholicos in Armenian history, Nerses III the Builder, built a chapel in the pit where Gregory the Illuminator was imprisoned. Later, in 662, St. Gregory Church was built on the basis of the old chapel. Today, visitors can descend a narrow staircase at the altar to see the very pit where Gregory the Illuminator was once imprisoned.